everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have my update for Partners in Cream. This is the second year for this project. It was created by Stefan DeLynn. Of course, I'm going to have those beautiful ladies listed down below as well as the playlist link. All the information, it's going to be down there. This project started January 10, goes to December 10, and I'm pretty darn sure it's going to be back next year. I cannot remember whether or not I confirmed that, but I'm pretty sure it's coming back because it's super popular and yeah. I would be shocked if it's not. So, the basic premise of this project is your cream, gel, liquid products, anything that is not powder. So basically any makeup product that is not powder is fair game because the moisture content, the higher moisture content in non-powder products means that they're going to spoil, go bad, go off faster, however you term it. And that's why this project was created. Not sure whose voice that was for a second. So yeah, so that we have motivation to get through our non-powder products. It's really brilliant. So that is what Partners in Cream is all about. I have some products in here that have been in here since the beginning, since January 10, and I'm still not done with them. I have no empties this month, but that's okay. It's okay. I'm not discouraged. I'm still using my products. Some of them are just slow going. Pretty much everything that I put in here is slow going, and that's just the way it is. And then I did add last month one usage product. I'm not quite there. I'm close, but it is going to be in here another month, and we're just going to see how it goes. I am not going to add anything in this month because, you know, it ends in December. We're in October. It just doesn't make any sense to add anything in at this point because I'm going to be rushing around trying to finish everything anyway. So yeah, why make it that much harder on myself? So let's just get into these products. Hopefully I can get these done in the next 2 months. The first one is the Maybelline Color Drama in Stripped Down. Ironically, Steph had this and hated it because of like the fragrance. And it is different. It's kind of somewhere between like pear and watermelon. And if you're not into those kind of scents, then it might be a little off-putting. I don't personally mind it. I actually do really like the color. I am wearing this along with the next product I'm going to show you on my lips today. I like it. I like it. The weight has actually gone down on this one. It was 11 grams and is now currently 10 grams. And it was kind of hovering between that 11 and 10, but it did ultimately stop on the 10. And so that's a win for me. And I actually am able to show you like physical progress on this. It's pretty daggone skinny. There might be a tiny bit of air up there, but that is pretty much all the product that I have left. And I don't know, if I really knuckle down on this, then I might be able to finish it by December 10th. Maybe, hopefully. I'm gonna keep working on it, and we're gonna see how it goes. If it's not in my basket for a specific week, then that's like gonna be my purse lip gloss. I don't know if anybody else does that or not, has a lip gloss that's like designated for their purse when they run out and, you know, they need to put something on their lips. And this is like a nice neutral color that I don't really have to look. I can just slap it on and I'm good to go. All right, so that one has dropped a little bit. The next one that is on my lips as well, this is the color combination. This is Buxom Wine Me. I really think that there's some sorcery going on inside this thing because I've had the stopper out for a while and you can see, like on the wand, there's still plenty of product in there. It's not dying. It is not dying, but that's okay. As long as it's done by December 10th, I'm gonna be a happy girl. I'm gonna keep working on it, and I think I can do it. I hope I can do it. Next one, I've actually made some pretty darn good progress on. This is the e.l.f. Lip Lock Pencil because I've been using it on my brows. It's like a waxy pencil. This is what it looks like. And I've been putting just a little bit of this on my brows before I put any powder on them. And then I do the gel over top to kind of lock it in place. And it's been working for me. So you can see the progress that I have made. I was at gold last time and now I'm at blue. I think I could potentially have that done in the next 2 months. If not, it's going to be really daggone close. I'm going to attempt it and we're going to see how it goes. Cross my fingers, that can be done in 2 months. All right, next one. I don't think I'm going to have it done in the next 2 months. I've been making really good progress on it, but I don't know if I can. This is the ColourPop Jelly Much in On the Fly. I did rejuvenate it and I pressed it all back down. So you guys are used to seeing pan in it. There is no pan in there anymore, but if you look at the side, you can see just how thin that is. And I kind of feel like with it spread out like this, so there's like less air touching it on multiple sides, it doesn't dry out quite as much, which is why when I rehydrated it, I put that back in. But hopefully I can make some good progress on this in the next 2 months. If it is not done, I probably will continue to work on it through the end of the year if I feasibly think that I can finish it by the end of the year, because it will give me like another 3 weeks to work on it. So we shall see. This is the time of year when my eyeshadows, like my eyeshadow finishing really starts to pick up a lot because I'm working with a lot less. So it stands to reason that the ones that I have left, I'm using more because my usage isn't spread out all over the place. So we shall see if I can actually get that one done. It's a good color for fall, I will say that. So hopefully I will be able to get that one. The last one is a usage, and that is another ColourPop Jelly Much. This is in the color Sage Bundle. I wanted to use this 5 times. It is so stinking pretty. It's got like light teal reflex in it. Oh, it's gorgeous. I've used this 3 to 5 times. I will happily use it 2 more times before the next update. And we'll just see how it goes. I probably, even if I hit goal on this, which I'm sure that I will, I probably will still not roll anything in next month. It doesn't make sense to me at this point to do that. So hopefully I will have less to work on and actually be able to get some stuff done for you guys. I'm crossing my fingers that happens. I feel like I'm in crunch time, and I don't want to sweat it. I really don't. If I finish things, that's awesome. If I don't for some reason, you know what? It just obviously wasn't meant to be finished this year. I'm not going to waste product just to say I finished it, because that to me, it defeats the whole purpose of project planning. So if things get done, they get done. If they don't, they don't. And I'm a-okay with that one. Definitely go check out the girls down below. There are tons of people in this, and like I said, I'm pretty sure it is coming back next year. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.